If you would mind, I was trying to see if Olivia might be the female.
Since we got 3, go ahead and box it in. We're going to be 1024, 67 South, 2, Arkansas 175, Young X-Ray Charles 175, YXC, it's a black gypsy.
Alright, I'm out of water.
Oh, that's a male right there. That's a male.
Photographer 252 to black GMP here.
29 Skills Channel.
So rock, I think she's correct.
Yeah, he's clean. Got it.
Rock volume put us out from the out of 22 out of 29 southbound of 2, trying to catch up to a black GMC with a PH plate of 175 Young X-Ray Charles.
Information, you ran my vehicle. We're going to use 67 South at 22 scratch out. He's doing it.
22 scratch out?
1022, I'm still in it. We're 67 South. I tried to ram his vehicle. Speeds are 115 right now, 67 South, getting on 40 westbound.
Speed 115 and 40 westbound.
Will be primary, I'm secondary, 67 South, 40 West.
67 South on 40 West and 40 primary.
We have medium traffic, speeds of 120, passing the big church.
Medium traffic, speeds of 120 south.
This vehicle is smoking.
Vehicle smoking.
30 westbound, 30 westbound.
Taking 30 westbound.
We have medium traffic, actually heavy traffic, speed 85.
Heavy traffic, speed 85.
Curtis Sykes, medium traffic, speeds 80.
Passing Curtis Sykes, medium traffic, speeds 80.
Passing Broadway, still got medium to light traffic, speeds 100.
Broadway, medium light traffic, speeds 100.
Coming up to 6th Street, we got medium to heavy traffic, speeds 80 miles an hour.
Coming up to 6th Street, medium heavy traffic, speeds 80 miles an hour.
Staying 30 west past 630. 30 west, 630, 85, medium light traffic.
30 West traffic 30, speed traffic 55 miles per hour.
And on the road, let's see what the other agencies, what do you say that's fine?
Northbound public service now, will be past 38 feet.
Coming up to Roosevelt, medium traffic speeds 100.
On the Roosevelt, will be traffic 100.
Passing Roosevelt, we got light traffic speeds 100.
Passing Roosevelt, light traffic speed 100.
Going to South Interchange. We're staying towards 530, taking 440. Taking 440 eastbound.
Taking 440 eastbound.
Light traffic speeds at 100.
Light traffic speed 100.
Coming up to Springer. We're taking Springer, taking the one.
Taking Springer.
Northbound on Springer. Northbound Springer.
Northbound on Springer.
Northbound, looks like we're coming up to train tracks and we come up to Roosevelt.
Coming up to Roosevelt.
Light traffic on Springer, coming up to Roosevelt, speed 75.
Light traffic coming up to Roosevelt.
Westbound on Roosevelt, westbound on Roosevelt.
Westbound on Roosevelt.
We're on the primary, we're westbound, Roosevelt.
Eastbound now, primary, westbound on Roosevelt.
Out of clear up all now. Speed 90.
Speed 90.
Passing Main.
Passing Main.
Coming up to Arch.
Coming to Arch.
Passing Izzard Street.
Passing Izzard Street.
Looks like we're going to be going south on MLK. Sorry, I got cut off. I'm trying to catch back up.
Eastbound Roosevelt, eastbound Roosevelt.
Eastbound on Roosevelt.
Got a pit, got a roll over.
Hit and roll over.
Get out of the car! Left side, left side. Hey. Get out! Put your hands right there. Wait, I got it. Hey, man, I can't go that way, man. No, hey, this is the way you're going. Give me your hand! Push my arm around, dog! Shit! Ah, right here. We're good. Get up. Get your ass up. Ah, my leg broke, bro. Get up. My leg is broke. Get up. Ah! Sit. Oh! Hey! You put a lot of people at risk doing that stupid.
Hey, did anybody get hurt? Anybody get hurt though?
Shut up! Hey. Shut up! Nobody got hurt.
Ain't nobody get hurt.
I got it. Hey. 22 with the road at 10-16. 2-10-11.
Anybody else running?
Hey, let's get these some cars on the road. What do you say?
What's this, Sergeant?
Hey, you're gonna get in the car. You're gonna get in the car. Fine, we'll drag you.
Alright, guys, let's get going.
Here, come here. Hey, stand him up, mate. Go out there. We're in the car right now. Get the road clear. Get up. Come up. Get in there. All right, go to the other side, pull his ass in.
I ain't got no feeling.
That's your fault. Come on. Get in here. Come on, be a man. Come on, you're a man, aren't you? Hey, stop and start your camera.